Okay, today I have the Ecobee smart thermostat. This one comes with the voice control along with one smart sensor, which is included in this package. So in the back here, right, enhanced comfort, increased savings. It says it can save up to 23% on heating and cooling. You can control everything through your Ecobee app on your phone. And here it just says it saves energy. So this one works with Alexa and along with Apple HomeKit and Google Assistant. It says Spotify here. I'm not sure what that means. We can play music, but also good to know is this works with SmartThings. So if you run SmartThings in your house, this is the one to get. Okay, so let me just open this up and let you see what's inside. So here's this is the smart sensor. So it's pretty small and it detects motion along with the temperature. And to activate it, you basically open the app, the Ecobee app. You click add smart sensor, and then basically you scan this code and you pull it and it will activate. These are pretty small, as you can see. Fits in the palm of my hand. And here is the unit. So it looks like there is the microphone and the speaker here. So this goes right into the wall. Comes out about a little bit right under an inch. So you can see they have some sort of sensor here. A microphone, I think, is on. Actually, this might be the microphone. There's two microphones. So you can see there and there. And there's a protective screen here, which I'm not going to take it off yet until I install it. And you can actually see the screen itself is right about here in the rectangular shape here. So it's not the full thing, it's just here. And then here in the back, there's also these pins. This is what actually connects to the wall plate after you've successfully wired it up properly to your wires that connect to the furnace. Okay. Now let's check what else is in the box. Okay, so in here we have, okay, it's a pretty big box here. What is this? Okay, so we have how to install. So these are instructions. I highly recommend going through this because I did install one before and I didn't really go through the instructions and I ended up having to go back, but everything is here and it's very straightforward. Okay, then you can wire, these are some stickers for you to label the wires. Always very important to get a picture of your current thermostat wires before you start dismantling it and installing the new one, just in case you have to go back. Here's the wall plate. So this goes over your, hopefully it will hide your existing thermostat. Cover all the whatever was there before. Then you can have a fresh start, and this goes right over it. Just like that. Okay. So here it looks like the convenience of voice. It uses, you can use your voice, say, Alexa, I'm hot, play some jazz. Okay, not sure how many people actually use this. Okay, and here it tells you how to install your sensors as well. Great, so now if we look into here, the purpose of this is sometimes depending on the year or your type of furnace, you might not have the C wire, the common wire, and without the C wire, it doesn't function properly. So this actually is an adapter that you have to install in your furnace. So you basically have to go to your furnace, open up, and find the computer's circuit board, and then locate where the current wires that lead up from the furnace to the main floor, to wherever your current thermostat is, where the wires are. Because through there, you would have to, at the furnace, on the board, you'd have to reconnect these wires. Actually, what you do is you put the current 4 wires from your furnace into these holes here, right? And then these will go to into the furnace. Okay. So from the current furnace wires to here, and this to back to the furnace. And this way it kind of bypasses and allows you to install any smart thermostat that doesn't have a C wire to work with these. So here is where you mount it onto the wall. Plug it in. So everything is like all the thermostats are different. They're not gonna be all the same. So you really need to follow these instructions, all right? And it'll guide you as to like what you need or where to, how to install the proper wires for your unit. So there's that. It's honestly not too hard. I did one myself. All right, so here I am installing the Ecobee on my old thermostat. This is my old thermostat I opened up, and remember, very important, take a picture of it so you know where the wires go, just in case you have to go back. All right, so this is the old thermostat. Now what you need to do is go to your furnace and open it up and find the circuit board where you'll find the furnace wires leading towards to the unit. Then you will take a picture of that as well. And here I am. Here is the after where I have installed the Ecobee C wire adapter, and I fed it to the wires that it needs to lead to on the circuit board, as you can see. Now you go back up to your thermostat and install the Ecobee plate. Remember, go look through the instruction book, and then it'll guide you where to put the wires. Now you just snap the cover over it once you're done, and the Ecobee logo should show, and you're ready to go. You don't really need to hire a technician, a pro, unless you're not very comfortable with it. These are just mounting hardware for the smart sensor. And then this would be the stand for the smart sensor, just like that. Looks like it's magnetic. It's connected. What I don't like about this is that you can't really mount it on the wall unless you use this guy here, and this guy requires you to drill it into the wall. But basically, this just stands. It just stands like this. It's hard to see, but just like that. Okay. Right, so after you've installed the Ecobee and connected the smart sensors, you open up the app and this is what you're going to see. So this is for one property where you can see that I have 3 sensors currently installed. One's on the main floor, the basement, and the upper. Obviously the basement is going to be cooler. The beauty of the sensors is it gets an average of the 3 temperatures throughout the house, and kind of sets the thermostat based on those temperatures, right? And also has a motion sensor built in, so it tells you whether it's occupied or not occupied. And again, it will adjust the temperature based on that. And if it's fully unoccupied, that means no one's home. It goes into away mode. And then here, as you can see, there is another property. And then in this property, I have 2 sensors. And then, yeah, just to give you an idea how this works in the app. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.